Alhamdulillah pagi hari ini saya sedang berada di Warner Bros Studio London di tempat pembuatan Harry Potter. Nah, ini kurang lebih 1 jam dari kota London ya. Saya berada di sini. Ini belum buka, ininya masih belum buka. Kita lihat di situ ya. Masuknya entrance di sini itu di atas. Warner Bros Studio Tour London, The Making of Harry Potter. Harry Potter itu sangat terkenal ya daripada ininya. Nah, ini luar biasa ya. Nanti kita lihat di dalam bagaimana. Saya juga belum pernah ke sini ya. Ini ada, kalau kita lihat di sini Wizard Chess. Oh, nih catur ini, kudanya nih. Oh, seperti ini ya. Tuh. Ya, jadi ini pembuatan studio Harry Potter. Ini Kak Hadi, Bunga, Vina. Wih, ini matahari. Kak Hadi, kita di mana nih?
Warner Bros Studio Tour.
Warner Bros Studio Tour ya.
Tempatnya Harry Potter.
Harry Potter ini studionya, pembuatan filmnya sini ya. Wih, Kak Bintang, kita lagi di mana nih?
Harry Potter kita.
Harry Potter ya, Mama. Hihihi. Tuh, Kak Vinda sama Bunga situ. Kurang lebih 1 jam dari kota London. Kita berada di sini dan senang sekali ya. Tempatnya bagus, studionya. Tapi saya belum pernah, baru sekali nih ke sini. Baru tumben sekali lihat studio ini. Dan cuacanya enak. Terik matahari panas, tapi nggak panas juga, dingin. Cuman terik aja studio ini. Nanti tiketnya di situ. Entrance, masuk kita ke dalam. Ini. So what time you will pick up?
From 1:45 to 2. We'll be leaving by 2 o'clock.
Okay,
so
okay.
if you are early,
Yeah.
I'll be here.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, see you. Ya. Hah? Iya. Ini tiketnya. Wih, keren banget tiketnya ya. Jadi satu orang jatuh, ambil Kak.
Satu orang pegang satu.
Ternyata tiketnya tadi baliknya, ini tiketnya. Satu orang satu, Harry Potter, The Making of Harry Potter. Jatuh lagi. Maaf Kak Vinda. Yuk. Enggak yuk. Oke yuk. Enggak usah. Oh iya, foto video. Di mana?
Itu tuh depannya itu Harry Potter itu.
Enggak, yuk kita masuk yuk.
Di sini Harry Potter ya. Yuk, lucu.
Ya. Tiketnya. Ini. Tuh. Udah. Yuk, mantap. Yuk. Kita sekarang sedang berada di dalam Harry Potter Studio. Ini lihat ya, luar biasa. Wow, gede nih. Tuh. Ini namanya Warner Bros Studio untuk Harry Potter. Nah, Kak Vinda, Kak Ade, ya, itu ada Batman. Wah, Batman suit, pakaiannya Batman. Joker, nah ini Joker nih. Elizabeth Dolittle custom Wonder Woman. Ya. Wih. Pin, kita di mana namanya? Warner apa namanya? Warner Bros. Apa namanya? Warner Bros. Harry Potter. Warner Bros. Harry Potter. Ya, tour entrance. Yuk, masuk ke sini ya.
Tiketnya
Ya. Kita sekarang sudah masuk di dalam studionya.
kalau pakai digital guide dijelasin.
Ya. Museumnya atau studionya Harry Potter.
Kamarnya tuh.
Ini kamar ya. Ya. Sama dia nih. Hei.
Ini dia ngangkat. Apa bapak angkat? Ini bapak angkat anak kecil. Oh, ini anaknya dia.
Anaknya?
Anaknya dia.
Oh. Bapaknya Harry Potter, bapak angkat. Cupboard up under the cupboard under the stair. Oh, ini tempat tidurnya. Kamarnya Harry Potter. Di bawah tangga. Sepatunya Harry Potter. Tanggal 29 Friday, September.
Pertama kali tahun 2000 gitu. Iya. Film pertamanya. Dia masih kecil. Film 2020. Film pertama judulnya.
Judulnya apa itu, Dek? Tahun 2002 ini filmnya, 2004, 2005, 2007. Ini 2009. Yang terakhir ya, Bin? 2011, udah gede dia. Yang itu enggak?
Benar ada kali di situ.
Mobilnya ya,
Mobil terbang.
mobil terbang Harry Potter. Tahun 2005. Yes, saya bersama beliau. Ya, kita lanjut.
Iya.
Nah, studio Harry Potter. Di situ dalam ada studionya. Studionya. Tuh kita ngantri yuk. Yuk, sini yuk. Tuh dikasih paspor tuh. Paspornya di stem. Ambil deh. Kita dapat paspor Harry Potter. Paspor Harry Potter. Jadi kalau ke negeri Harry Potter, dapat paspornya. Kita mau ke dalam lihat studionya.
On the panels. Now these are the original garlands that we used in filming with a bit of fresh ivy added to them. The tree decorations that you can see were designed by the art department, created by the props team, and then finally dressed by our set decorators. And not to be outdone, the special effects team, led by John Richardson, then added the malevolent fairies that you can see circling around the tops of the trees. If you keep looking up for me, you'll notice we have our 400 floating candles here in the Great Hall for the very first time during Hogwarts in the snow. Now, this is very similar to how it would have looked during early production. However, originally the candles were real, with a real wick and fuel reservoir, which was great, apart from the fact that the Great Hall was a little bit drafty during filming, and sometimes the flame would flicker and set light to the wires, meaning the candles would drop onto the ground, and even sometimes onto the actors. So they very quickly replaced these with CGI candles in post-production, and today we have perfectly safe LED lights for you all. Now going back to our Christmas feast, originally in the filming they did cook and serve the food fresh day after day, and it smelled amazing to begin with. But after a few hours under those studio lights, it didn't smell quite so appetizing anymore. So the props team, led by Pierre Bohanna, then created a lot of the food that you can see here today. So we have our turkeys, our hams, our roast potatoes, our peas. Of course, we cannot have a Christmas feast without Christmas pudding. And these ones have been rigged by the special effects department to produce real flames for you. I'm guessing you'd all like to see that, so if you just step a little bit back from the barriers for me, get your cameras at the ready, and in 3, 2, 1. Voila. So these Christmas puddings are made out of concrete, and the holly on top you can see is made out of steel just to withstand the heat of the flames. Fantastic. So your time in the Great Hall is slowly coming to an end, everyone, but a few tips before you move on with the rest of your self-guided tour. If anyone has picked up one of the studio tour passport books, you need to be on the lookout for 7 stamping locations and also 16 golden snitches we have hidden all around the tour for you to find. I'll give you a hint. The first one is hanging in the archway, just as you exit the Great Hall. Anyone's using a digital guide with green lanyards, your tour starts just outside of these archways, so press number 1 when you get out there. But thank you so much for listening, guys. You are free to explore and go behind the scenes of the most magical film series in the world.
Could you get? Come on, let's go. dig there. Come on, let's go.
India, India. Itu gambarnya kayak India, nggak tahu. Coklat. Desain kostum desainnya gimana sini.
It seems like ages ago when I first walked into the Great Hall, and I couldn't believe how fantastic it really felt. It was as if I was stepping into the pages of the book. Especially for a young boy, it was truly magical. And now that you're here, walking onto the same sets we've used for all these years, I hope that you too can feel a little bit of that magic. One of the fun things you'll see here today is that many of the interior sets were all built on the same route. So Dumbledore's office was sometimes back to back with the Weasley Burrow, which was then just steps away from Hagrid's hut. In fact, it's fairly common to step off one set and find yourself somewhere else. Come this way and see for yourself. Just try not to get lost.
Back to Stephen A. Very much.
Maybe some of some sessions in such papers which is very confident do not pay attention. I mean, what would I get if I added powdered root on asphodel to an infusion of wonder? You don't know? Well, let's try again. Where, Mr. Potter, will you look if I asked you to find me a appeasement? Now, what is the difference between Knoxville and Pittsburgh?
These three vertical cylinders, one joining the other, diminishing in size. Rich relaxed. And I want to do this. You see, it's just
Up. Ini ada orang-orang berwajah hitam. Ular depan. Serem-serem. Ini apa nih? Al-Malfoy. Tuh, apa nih? Baju-baju para menterinya. Ini juga ini baju-baju para menteri. Wih, ini si raksasa. Tempat salju.
Tadi
Ih. Ih, serem banget, gelap. Hutan apa nih, Bin? Forbidden Forest, bukan Forbidden City. Wih, ada apa, Bin? Oh. Wih. Wih, Forbidden Forest, serem juga. Tuh. Bin, lihat sini, Bin. Tuh, Bin. Ini kita memasuki platform 9, platform 10 itu keretanya Harry Potter. Di sini. Keretanya. Cus. Howard Express. Ini kereta Howard Express di filmnya Harry Potter. Oh. Ntar kita masuk ke dalam ya. Ini stasiunnya, ya. Yang di film Harry Potter. Koper-koper, dan itu Howard Express-nya. Nah, di belakang. Nah, itu masinisnya dari kereta Howard Express ini. Masinisnya ini masinisnya juga. kayak bintang. Pasportnya, paspor Harry Potter. Paspor Harry Potter. Oh, iya. Coba lihat Bin, paspornya Bin. Ya, udah di stempel kayak gimana Bin?
Di gini doang.
Udah stempel. Jadi udah stempelnya. Oh gila. Oh benar. Terus apa lagi?
Baru itu doang sih. Nah, next satu lagi.
Oh ada lagi ya. Ini Howard Express. Howard Railways ya. Nah ini. Sekarang kita mau ngantri naik kereta, ya, Howard Express, Howard Railways-nya ini. Mau ngantri sini. Kita lihat Bunga, Adi, Bintang. Howard Railways. Ya, kita mau naik. Ben. Ini suasana di dalam keretanya. Halo Bintang. Kak Bintang. Tuh ya, lihat. Segala kandang burung ada di sini. Kandang burung. Ya foto yuk, berempat. Stempel dulu, stempel dong. Ini express for free. Hah? Nah, di sini ada outdoor dari tempatnya Harry Potter. Oh, ini seperti di rumah-rumahan. The Burrow Miniature. Itu pas itu ada night bus. Nih keretanya, bunyi hornnya, tuh, bunyi horn, tuh, saya pencet bunyi lucu. Bunyi pencet lagi ya, push. Shrinking sound. Bisa naik nih. Oh. Bintang. Ben, kita naik sini ke sana dalam.
Iya bisa.
Tuh. Hai. Indah. Bunga mana?
Lagi beli minum.
Oh iya. Ini ada air putih papa nih.
Minum Harry Potter.
Oh iya. Tuh. Ini apa nih? Hogwarts in the snow. Oh, Hogwarts in the snow. Kita mau masuk ke rumahnya Harry Potter. Ini rumahnya, rumputnya sintetis nih. Rumah Harry Potter. Wih, banyak surat-surat. Ini mobilnya Harry Potter. Tuh, mobilnya Harry Potter. Tuh motor. Lihat tuh cara-cara, caranya.
It's busy figuring out what the bridge will look like on the outside. Other people, much smarter than I, figure out how to squeeze all of this on the inside.
Now, you can't just run down to your local hardware store and buy all this stuff. Most of what you see here was custom made right here in Nick's shop by very clever people like Jimmy.
Tapi orangnya sebenarnya mukanya bukan dia ya. Iya. Orang lain kan? Iya. Tapi dibikinin ya.
Masukin ya.
Jadi tuh belakangnya. Kayak robot begini. Jadi bikin dia. Jadi kayak mukanya. Tuh jadi orangnya sebenarnya.
Kostumnya gitu jadi.
Ini orangnya tuh.
Pakai apa?
Ini mukanya di bawah.
Di orangnya dia nih di.
Iya.
Tuh, jadi begini kan. Aktornya Robbie Coltrane, actual face. Ini juga begini. Tuh.
Animatronics turn figure machines into figures large and small. Take Scabbers here. He's one of the smallest. He is filled with tiny gears and servos. Now, animatronics range in size from Scabbers to the Book of Monsters up to the Boar's Head here. But that wasn't the largest, was it?
Tuh.
Never turn down the opportunity to go to practice. Head down the corner.
That's cool.
Deh. Ini robot nih. Gerak dia, ada bergerak. Tuh. Tuh, kayak beneran. Padahal dia robot.
The entire team that we've seen has been on giant planet.
really important that you have their light cast and bits of them to sculpt off. The light casting process begins with mixing up silicone and applying it to the face. We remove that from the actor, then that gets filled with plaster, which then creates plaster bust. And then from this stage on, we start the sculpting process. So here we have the character of Gripped Hook. You see this stuff here, it's called plastiline. So we chop it up and we soften it by putting it into a clay crock pot. Mum was going to love that. You put on lots and lots of clay, smooth it all up, and then you get the sculpting tools.
Ini tempat banknya Harry Potter. Saya berada di dalam tempat banknya Harry Potter nih. Di sini. Tuh. Banknya Harry Potter.
Sind wir am Stamp schon?
Ini petugas bank.
Bunker di bawah.
Oh, ada bunkernya. Lampu. Ini suasana banknya Harry Potter. Ya, Bin ya? Bank Harry Potter ya?
Iya.
Kayak beneran, Bin ya? Bin ya? Kayak... Hah? Apanya plastik?
Lampunya.
Masa sih? Bukan kristal ya?
Plastik kristal.
Hebat ya, bikin ininya ya. Tiruannya ya. Tuh. Itu juga bukan dari... Bin, bukan beton nih, Bin. Biasa tapi cakep ya. Percis ya. Labirin below. Wih, ada labirin below. Oh, yang di bawah tanah nih.
So it looks like they're on riding something. Normally on a movie, pretty much everything we do is a prototype. The first bolt car, but then also the fact that there's
ini adalah tempat harta karun di bawah. Wih, luar biasa.
It actually quite dangerous. So we had to rubberize all the pieces that were going to be into. Obviously there was a lot of CGI involved because although we could make treasure grow in making the individual things ping off one another and multiply
banyak
to be a CGI affair. The replicating treasure was something that we knew we could achieve in a computer, but the biggest problem actually was the fact that we needed Harry to climb across the treasure to get to the water. So we have to physically
harta karun. Di situ tuh foto tuh cakep tuh. Oh, tuh di studionya nih, luar biasa nih. Saya lagi nonton nih. Tuh. Woi, kebakar asap. Aduh, kayak beneran. Tuh hancur. Jadi tadi yang bank tadi itu hancurin. kita sedang berada di York. Tahun lalu kita ke tempatnya langsung di York. Covered in snow. Itu lagi pada stempel. Tuh di atasnya lucu banget tuh. Ada dibuat semirip mungkin ya salju, padahal nggak dingin, cuma seperti salju es. Jual burung kayak di Jalan Pramuka. Wih, ini istananya Harry Potter dalam konsepnya, ya, luar biasa ya, bagus sekali kacanya. Gambarnya istana, tapi itu yang bentuknya di sebelah situ, ya. Nah, ini itu istananya Harry Potter. Tuh, dia menerangkan apa namanya, sebenarnya snow-nya apa, itu dari apa, dari sabun-sabunan. Istananya Harry Potter keren banget. Musim dingin deh, kita nggak berasa dingin deh. Susah bikinnya kan. Detail ya deh ya. Itu ya, woi keren banget. Ini dibikin apa namanya, seperti beneran. Itu jembatan yang tadi tuh. Ini Howard Castle. Ini lihat castle-nya dari Howard Castle. Ini belakang saya.
Halo, jangan lupa subscribe
Bang Dai Channel.